Welcome to Doodle with Loken. Today we are drawing a castle.
Okay, what are we going to draw first?
A line. A rectangle, I mean.
A rectangle. Bottom line. Good. And the line going up either side. Okay. Then you're going to draw a line across the top. Brilliant. Okay, then we're going to draw the turrets at the side. So this line is going to come up higher. Get straight before you take a start. There you go. Okay. And now we're going to draw the tops. 2 little triangles.
You don't have to do two. I'm going to just do this part a bit.
You can always tidy it up and use your marker. Rub bits and bits out.
Yeah, we're going to do that at the end of the drawing part when we use our marker. Just before we use our marker.
Okay. Then we can draw little flags on top.
Nice big.
That's good.
We'll draw something from the side.
It's
Gonna be tree castle.
Great. Now we're going to draw a door. And we can do the detail at the end. That's it. Now the door's probably going to have like some, I think, like a gate in front of it. Stop people breaking into the castle.
So
I'm going to do some lines like this.
Mine's going to have
That's really good, Loken.
yours looks good too.
Okay, next we're going to do this pattern on top to make the top of the castle. And I'm also going to add some windows. We're going to draw these narrow windows, which is where they would have shot their arrows out of, isn't it, Loken?
Yeah. But Because we didn't go to a castle long ago.
Yeah, we've been visiting a few castles recently.
Yep, that's when we wanted to do a castle.
That's good.
And my sister Eva took a stone from one.
She did.
She stole a stone. Apparently it was very special to her.
I'm going to draw a path up to my castle.
A long, thin line.
I'm going to add some grass. Right. That's really good. Tokens.
Yep.
Right, now we're going to colour it. So
I'm not finished.
That's okay. We're going to fast forward now whilst we do the outline in marker, and then we're going to colour it in, and then we'll
why
see
don't
you
we
at the end.
fast forward the marker? No, we need to do the rubbing out. I have to rub up some of my parts like this. Mistakes. Okay, let's